You will love the features of this 2019 Audi RS5. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this boldly styled Audi RS5, the high-performance, high-tech, high-luxury automobile that blends decadent comfort with adrenaline-pumping acceleration, all-weather capability, and gracefully sweeping aerodynamic lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Luxury meets high-performance power in this exquisite RS5. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.